Yes, this is my third pass at making a tablet class. Yeah, well, I mean, I named it Tablet 3. And I'm working on Tablet Frame 2. And this is Ruin 2. So, like, yeah, it's no secret. And this is really where I should start, the tablet frame. Let's look at what the constituents of that are going to be. So we got this wooden thing. I've been contemplating chopping it in half so that I can take the halves and kind of telescope them to whatever height I want. It wouldn't look amazing, but it might be necessary for certain screen resolutions. I'm just going to do it, and then, yeah. So, Photoshop interlude. Girl from Ipanema. Always the elevator music in every like movie or I don't know. It's a pretty great song. I don't know how it got homogenized into the everyone's go-to elevator music. But I wasn't very cognizant of how things were going in the 80s when elevator music was getting made. So you cannot blame me. Okay, gotta open that feeling. Dropbox, Codemancer art. I can't remember what's in there. Oh yeah. Frame. Canvas size. Height 722. That's 361. If I have it. And I'm going to keep it like this. Proceed. I'm going to save that as tablet. Let's call it frame top. PNG. None. Okay. And then we'll this automatically snap for me? Yes, it will. Yes. Snapping. Okay. Let's call this frame bottom dot png. Cool beans. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out here. And now I've got the two halves. I've got the little tabs. And I've got the undo button and the clear button and the familiar buttons. So those are all the constituents of the actual tablet frame, the frame around the tablet. Let's go into Texture Packer and put them all on one texture. Having the frame in halves is going to help with that too. Basically put them one on top of each other. Good stuff. And I need this to be Sparrow/Starling. What is the actual size it's giving me? 1024 by 1024. I wish I could do it smaller. Let's see. Do a slightly different thing? No, deterministic. That's a shame, because I feel like this could fit in a smaller space, but what can you do? Let's put this in. Say it as frame. XML G body. Wait, can I do this? Is this? Oh, this is also 1024 by 1024. It doesn't give me any extra space, but this is kind of logical. Kind of like that. What does multi-pack mean? I guess it tries it a couple times with different seeds or something. I don't know. Yes. All right. Change the border padding. We got a whole new size. That was worth fiddling with. I need to do that more often. Okie dokie. Let's save this. Packing, because that did take a little bit of effort, a little wrestling. And we can publish. Okay. Actually, I think that went in someplace weird. Yeah. Let's put it in the actual directory that a thing of beauty and a joy forever. All right. Wunderbar. Let's quit that. Here's me again. I know you've missed my face. Now, I guess I should also pack the new ruins, but I'm gonna turn the mic off for a moment, I think. Let's see. How do I do that? I don't know. Yeah, I'm woefully bad at this streaming thing. Cover your ears. All right. Oh, hello there. I didn't notice you there inside my computer. Get out of there. So, first things first, gotta put in assets XML, all the tablet stuff, and there's a little spot for it already. Yeah, I have to not mess with the original ones for a bit until I take out tablet and put in like the old tablet, tablet 2, and put in tablet 3. Right now everything's kind of living together in parallel. Let's see where it is in here. Assets. Let's refresh. There we go, UI. Four 7719. Wow. I'm doing a big memory savings here. This is great. Copying, pasting, however, not as great. what did I say that was? 47719. Okay, and then XML. I'm gonna steal this one. Writing out all of this is so hard. I am going to do a massive restructuring of this at some point, I promise, but it's going to be so boring I just don't want to make you watch. And how big is that? 1292. And now it should magically appear. So we need tablets, we need tabs, what are these going to be? They could just be images for now, probably. They don't need much functionality other than being display objects and event handler things. Okay, I need undo button. You know what? These have to actually be like buttons. Is there already a... What? Why do I even have feathers? Why do I have access to feathers? This is so weird. I don't think I imported feathers into this project. Is it just by default in Starling? let's look. Yeah, we gotta do some interneting. Wah, wah, wah. Hello. Hello, new people. Are you typing anything? No. Don't type to me. No. Some crazy kitties back here. Starling button. What does it have already? Okay, so at least has enabled and disabled. Cool. Button upstate, text downstate. Disabled state. Cool. Can Can I disable it? I guess I have to use the property enabled to change that. I can scale it down to indicate touch instead of using a texture. That's pretty great. Okay, let's use it. I'm sold. Okay. Okay, let's see. Now, let's see. Let's populate tablets. Well, now let's make the appearance first. see what I'm doing here? I can't count on it always being the right, the being equal sized. So I'm just sort of hedging my bets. Codemancer. Dropbox, that's where stuff is. Okay, how big is this? 15. Okay, so I don't want to go under 15. Basically, let's be safe and call it 20 though. Okay. So let's see. Let's say that new height is 10, the min is 5, and the max is 20.